Beautiful morning. Oh, swans. Fly by the swans. A few days ago I started the keel joint repair job, and well, yeah, let me first show you what I did before I started the sanding and grinding. So the area of the bad keel joint where the paint was peeling off and there was rust on the keel joint area. Yeah, the area extended the arc that I got down there that I had in here. So I had to take it off, and before I took it off I had to build a temporary legs, standing legs. Didn't take any chances to, so I built them really strong. I used like 100 and 150 millimeters screws. I found all the wood from the perimeters of the boatyard, so didn't cost me nothing, only the screws, like €2.50 I think. They're really strong. Look at this. You can play a song with this. Then I started sanding. Sorry I didn't film that, it was really messy, as you know. Then I feathered the edge of it, and then I tried to took all the rust out, and I took most of it. But then there's this kind of a red underpaint here. I didn't know where there was rust and where this was paint. And I was really tired about sanding, so I made a change of plans and I used this phosphoric. I don't know how to say it in English, but it's this kind of a acid that eats rust away. So I treated that metal part of the keel with that yesterday, and I washed it off with warm water. Then I dried out, and then I put the first coat of epoxy paint over here. And this is the next morning, so today I'm gonna put the second coat on. Yeah, first I'm gonna put some Sikaflex on this joint, this recess area over here around the keel. The joint was good. I don't think there's no leaks inside or in the fiberglass from the joint. I just took the most off that I could, but it was in good condition, so yeah, no worries on that. From this port side there was a little bit more of loose paint here, the bottom paint, so there's a little bit more painting over here, but not that much. So yeah, first the Sikaflex, and Sikaflex, it's the 291i. Yeah, then I'm gonna paint the second coat on the Sikaflex and extend it to here, and then tomorrow another coat. Yep, so while I'm waiting that the Sikaflex is curing down below, I thought that I would fix one more thing on the cockpit. It's these holes over here. There used to be a compass over here, but it never worked. There's some metal over here, it was showing the wrong direction. And there was the wind instrument over here, but I haven't used it for many years. I just had the display here to cover the hole. So I took them off, and now I'm gonna use this to cover this. I might put a fan inside to make some better ventilation when the hatches are closed, when the boat is on the dock, so it doesn't get that hot in summer. There's some net over there for the insects. Then I cut this kind of tinted polycarbonate that I got lying around here. I don't know why I got it, but I had it, so I got this kind of a window thing over there to cover that. But yeah, first I need to clean it and then glue it on. Yep. Some boring stuff. After that, I think it's time to paint the next layer of primer over the sealant and the other large areas over there. So let's continue. They turn out pretty good. The window is kind of ugly because the inside of the hole is a bit messy. And also, yeah, stuff didn't go all the way like on the sides, so yeah. Oh, but yeah, I'm gonna 3D print a kind of like a frame inside to hide the edges. Should be good. This one also. Let's hope that it keeps the water out. And that's the airing. Hope you like this one. Catch you on the next one. Bye bye.